Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard trap beat on FL Studio. First, let's lay down the foundational elements that define the genre's sound. Begin by setting your project tempo between 130 and 150 beats per minute for that signature energetic vibe. Next, select powerful 808 samples with a long decay to create a deep, resonant bass. Finally, choose crisp, punchy drum sounds, including claps, snares, and hi-hats to build your core rhythm. Now, let's dive into crafting those essential drum patterns. Program a strong kick drum pattern, typically hitting on the 1 and 3 beats to drive the rhythm. For the hi-hats, focus on creating intricate rolls and stutters, often using a 1/16th note grid to add rhythmic complexity and bounce. Layer your claps on the 2 and 4 beats, then add a punchy snare drum, perhaps slightly offset, to give your beat extra impact and a distinct trap feel. With your drums in place, it's time to add melodic and bass elements. Design simple, dark melodies using minor scales, often with a synth pad or bell sound, to create an atmospheric backdrop. Reinforce your 808 bass line with a subtle sub-bass layer to add even more depth and low-end presence. Finally, apply effects like distortion to your 808 and reverb or delay to your melodies to enhance individual sounds and create a cohesive, professional mix. To complete your hard trap beat, focus on arrangement, mixing, and mastering. Arrange your beat with clear sections like intros, verses, choruses, and breakdowns to keep listeners engaged. Mix your levels carefully, ensuring the 808 is prominent but not overpowering, and that all elements sit well together. Use compression and EQ to sculpt your sounds, then apply light mastering to boost overall loudness and clarity. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals to help you stay organized and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.